Hi guys, thanks for tuning in. Today I want to show a basic tutorial of using Backup Exec 21. Backup Exec is used to backup servers or computers and can be used to restore files or complete servers in case of a disaster recovery. I work in IT and have been using Backup Exec for a few years now. I remember when I first started using it, searching for a good tutorial, but there was none available. So I always wanted to make one, and now that I finished my college, I have the time to do so. I'll be breaking down the tutorial in shorter videos, and we'll show how to install Backup Exec, how to deploy an agent to a server. The agent is what is used for the Backup Exec server to communicate with a server you're trying to back up. Or if you need to restore files, you'll also need an agent to restore the files back to the server. We'll also show you how to set up storage, which can include tape, disk, or cloud. Cloud can include Amazon's AWS S3, or it can include Wasabi or Azure. We'll also show you how to back up a server and how to restore files or a complete server if we have to. So let's get started with installing Backup Exec 21.